Okay, quick video. We're gonna make some flux for stainless steel. I'm gonna try this on aluminum too. I haven't done it with aluminum. I have other stuff that's zinc based that I use for aluminum, but I'm gonna try this on aluminum too. Okay, definitely gloves. Alright, we're working with phosphoric acid and copper carbonate. Each one of these you can get online, not too expensive. And this is 75% phosphoric acid. Okay, so plastic or glass, definitely. No metallic objects. We're going to use coffee stirrer. We're going to use a coffee stirrer. But gloves, safety glasses, absolutely got to start with that. And then we're going to go ahead and put 5 grams of copper carbonate and 50 grams of phosphoric acid. So I got a small scale here that I could use, a little jeweler scale. Should make it pretty accurate. And we'll get started. Give me a minute and we'll get started. Okay, we're going to do 5 grams of this, 4.5, 5. There we go. Okay, we're going to go for 50 grams. $27, 34, 40, 45, 50. Not bad. Okay, we'll take this, and then we'll put in the copper carbonate slowly and stir it. Okay, there is more than likely going to be a reaction, so we want to keep that to a minimum and put some in, stir it. It's going to foam a little bit. We just want to keep that to a minimum. We don't want any violent reactions. So take your time. Put some in, stir it in. Be ready always when you're working with stuff like this to have a problem. So you don't want to do this on your kitchen table or living room. You want to do this in a sink or outside, someplace where you might have access to quick water. If you get any of this splashed on you, it's acid and tough on skin and eyeballs. Definitely have to have some kind of eye protection. It is thickening and foaming a little bit. Not too violent. Give it a chance to settle. Take your time. Not too violent. Go ahead and pour some more in. Okay. This is pretty boring. I mean, there's nothing really going on here. See, a little bit of foaming, but nothing violent. Take your time. Mix it in. We're almost done. We're about halfway done. But you don't want it to overflow the jar. But it is reacting. So no breathing of fumes. You want an open area, and you want to be ready for any kind of violent reaction. Still foaming a little bit. We'll wait a little bit more. Okay, I think we can put some more in. We'll put about half of that in. Stir it up. And all the powder mixed in. There doesn't seem to be any real heat with this reaction, so that's a good thing. Make sure your jar, or in this case half a water bottle, is tall enough to handle any foaming, because it does, and especially if you go too fast with it. Ask me how I know. There we go, empty. And you can see it does foam a little bit. Okay, we'll just stir it up, make sure it's stirred up good. And that'll be that. It's done. You let it settle. And stirring it helps keep those bubbles down too. Keeps the foam down. Okay, so it's not too bad, huh? Nothing crazy, but nice and slow. There you go. We'll let that settle down and clear out. That should be a minute or two. Okay, that's pretty much it. And lovely focus. Yeah. Anyway, that's pretty much it. It'll clear up a little bit. Stay a pretty blue color. And it's done reacting, so you're good to go. Bottle it up. Keep it in any kind of bottle. I use that. Glass with an eyedropper because I have it. But glass is a good thing to keep it in. Nice heavy glass that isn't going to shatter easy if you bump it around. And that's it. There's your stainless flux.